Find the orange rectangle. Good job! Where is the yellow circle? Way to go! Where is the yellow diamond? Good job! Find the green triangle. Good job! Where is the blue rectangle? Good job! Where is the red circle? Good job! Find the red heart. Good job! Find the red crescent. Super! Find the green rectangle. Good job! Find the orange star. Super! Find the orange square. Super! Where is the purple square? Way to go! Find the red rectangle. Super! Where is the yellow square? Good job! Where is the orange rectangle? Way to go! Where is the blue semicircle? Good job! Find the blue circle. Super! Find the purple crescent. Way to go! Where is the orange diamond? Super! Find the yellow semicircle. Way to go! Where is the pink star? Way to go! Where is the brown rectangle? Super! Find the pink rectangle. Pop the bubbles in order. Try again. 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 A, B, C, D, E, F. Try again. G. Try again. Try again. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Try again. Q, R, S, T, U. V. Try again. Try again. W, X, Y, Z. Good job!